Let's be real for a second. If you've been following the AI space here on Technomics, you know that building and actually deploying an AI agent can be an absolute nightmare. You're constantly wrestling with model deployment, configuring servers, and praying your API costs don't secretly drain your bank account overnight. By the time you get the agent running, you're too exhausted to even use it. But what if you could bypass all of that technical debt? Today, we are looking at an absolute game changer. It's called MaxClaw, a personalized assistant built directly into the MiniMax agent ecosystem. This is hands down the easiest way to deploy OpenClaw available today. For the next 10 minutes, we're going to break down exactly how this tool will completely automate your workflow. Let's dive in. Zero setup, infinite power. So what exactly makes MaxClaw different? At its core, it gives you one-click, free access to OpenClaw. And when I say one click, I mean it. There is absolutely no model deployment required, no tedious API setup, and best of all, no extra API costs. You just log in and you unlock the full OpenClaw ecosystem instantly with their all-new MaxClaw mode. It is a powerful, all-in-one toolkit covering image and video understanding, web extraction and search, image and video generation, visual search, and seamless web deployment. It's all built in and ready to go. No more stitching together 5 different expensive subscriptions, just pure results. The 24/7 ecosystem and mobile integration. Now, having a powerful AI is great, but it's useless if it's locked away in a browser tab you forget to check. MaxClaw operates with 24/7, always-on interaction and task execution. It seamlessly integrates across Telegram, Discord, and Slack. You can run OpenClaw from any device, anytime. MaxClaw is officially available on the MiniMax Agent mobile app. All data syncs with the web in real time. You can launch tasks directly from IM and access the deliverables anytime on the web dashboard. Start anywhere, review everywhere. The army of experts. But let's talk about the actual brain power here. MaxClaw unlocks 10,000 plus high-impact experts, with more continuously expanding. You aren't just getting a generic chatbot. Need to analyze social media algorithms? Fire up the viral hunter. Need a deep dive into an industry? Unleash the multi-agent research team. Looking for the next big AI narrative? The trend tracker has your back. It's expert power, preloaded. Live demonstration, the research workflow. Instead of just talking about it, let's actually run a live workflow right now. Say I'm putting together a new video on the latest AI GPU developments, and I need to cut through the noise fast. I don't want to spend hours scrolling through articles to find the exact specs. I just fire up the multi-agent research team, type in my prompt, and hit send. Watch this. Instantly, MaxClaw is hitting the web for extraction and search. There's no complex coding on my end. Within seconds, I have a perfectly formatted, up-to-date summary of the newest hardware benchmarks ready to be dropped right into my script. It's literal hours of research compressed into a single prompt. And because it allows true multi-device collaboration, if I ran this exact same prompt from my phone on Telegram while grabbing a coffee, the entire outline would be sitting right here on my desktop when I got back. It's that fluid. Pricing, flexibility. So, how does the pricing actually work? MaxClaw gives you full flexibility and total control. Whether you're focused on a coding plan or agent credits, choose the balance that fits your workflow. Here is the deal that completely sold me. MaxClaw lets you fully deploy and run OpenClaw with comprehensive pre-trained experts for only $19. And I'll say it again, with no additional API fees required. On top of that, users receive 200 free credits daily just by logging in and cross-platform MiniMax agent membership. If you are tired of setting up servers and managing API limits, you need to check this out. Head over to agent.minimax.io to explore MaxClaw and the MiniMax agent. I've dropped the links you need right at the top of the description, including the download link for the agent desktop. Claim those free daily credits, deploy your first agent, and let me know in the comments what you end up building. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.